Hi everybody, it's Miss McKinney. We're going to do a word work phonics lesson focusing on the sound today. We're going to start with a warm-up like we usually do. Today we're going to talk about rhyming words for our warm-up. Rhyming words are words that end with the same sounds. For example, listen to these two words, shirt, hurt. Shirt and hurt rhyme with each other because they both end with the ert sounds. What other word can you think of that rhymes with shirt and hurt? To figure that out, you need to think about words that end with ert, like dirt, ert. Let's listen to some more words. I'm going to say 3 words. 2 of those words will rhyme, so the other one does not belong. See if you can find the 2 words that rhyme. Repeat after me. Turn, torn, earn. Which 2 words rhyme out of turn, torn, and earn? Yes, turn and earn both end with earn, so they rhyme. Listen to these 3 words. Heard, chirp, third. I'm going to say them again. Repeat after me. Heard, third, chirp. Think about the way that those words end. Which 2 end with the same sounds so that they rhyme? Yes, heard and third both rhyme because they both end with erd. Let's think of, we're going to do 2 more sets. Think about these words. Repeat after me. Rain, plain, pay. Which 2 words rhyme? Rain, plain, pay. Yes, rain and plain rhyme. Okay, last set. Goal, oat, goat. Which of those 3 words rhyme with each other? Goal, oat, goat. Goat and oat rhyme. They both end with oat. Very good. All right, we're going to move on into our sounds. We're going to be working with the shirt card today. The shirt card is the card that we use for the sound Everybody say Good. There are 4 ways that you can spell the sound. ER, IR, UR, and OR. And we're going to practice with all of those spellings today. Let's look at my examples right here. ER says as in her. IR says as in shirt. UR says as in fur. And finally, OR says as in worm. I'd like for you to get your finger ready to help me trace some spellings. I'm going to write them on the board. We're going to do one at a time. We're going to trace this, and as we trace it, we're going to say So here's our first one. I've got my finger ready to write in the air, and you guys are going to trace from home. Okay? Ready? See that? Let's do it again. One more time. Very good. Let's look at our next one. This is spelled with IR. So again, we're going to trace and say. Ready? One more. Very good. Now we have spelled with UR. Let's trace together and say the sound. Er. Very good. One more. And we're going to move into some words. OR. OR. One more time. Very good. This is the letter G. The letter G says G. IR says and L says ul. So if I put these sounds together, ul, girl. My word is girl. I have another G. This time, this G is going to say J. Say the sounds with me. J, germ. What's the word? Germ. The C says K. B. K. Herb. Curb. What's the word? Curb. W says W. Ul. D. World. World. What's the word? World. Very good. Now, let me flip this around. There we go. All right. I want you to look at this word here. Say these sounds with me as I point. Fist. The letter I in this word says I. Watch how the sound of that word changes when we add an R after it. First. So the I by itself says I, but when you follow it with an R, the sound changes to fist, first. Let's look at this word. Bun. The U here says Watch what happens to that sound when we add an R after the U. Burn. The U makes a new sound when it's partnered with the R. It says Say the sounds. This word is bid. What does this I say? I. Watch how that changes when I add an R after the I. B. D. What is it? Bird. What sound does the IR make? Very good. All right. Now, we are going to look at some more words. When I tap the sounds, I want you to say the sounds with me. And then we're going to blend them together. T, turn. What's the word? Turn. Very good. Her. What's the word? Her. Very nice. All. Curl. What's the word? Curl. Worm. All right, now let's read these words one more time together. Look at them. Remind yourself. Turn, her, curl, worm. Good job. On these next words, I'm going to point to the sounds, but I want you to say them. So follow me and say the sounds as I point to them. I'm going to be quiet. Dirt. What's the word? Dirt. Very good. Very good. Ready? Say the sounds. Word. What's the word? Word. The word is word. Verb. Verb. Very nice. Nurse. Nurse. One more. Curve. Curve. Good job. Let's read these one more time before I take them away. Look at them. Dirt. Word. Verb. Nurse. Curve. Let's look at a couple of sentences. Just a moment and look at these different words. Some of them you already know. Some of them we're going to have to sound out and blend. Let's look at this first word. Let's say the sounds. Earn. Fern. You know this word. Will. This word has 2 syllables, so we're going to look at one part at a time. her, re, hurry, back, to, change, change, her, skirt, skirt. Now, we're going to read this sentence a couple of times to practice fluency. Fern will hurry back to change her skirt. So we read that one word at a time. We're going to try to read it smoothly and not sound like robots this time. Fern will hurry back to change her skirt. Let's do one more sentence. Look at the words that you already know. You already know A. You should know big. Let's sound this one out. Bird. Bird. This is a word that may be very new to you. Let's sound it out together. Lurks. Lurks. This word is lurks. Lurks means that you kind of hang out. You shouldn't really be there. On top of the, we're going to sound this one out. Church. Church. Let's read it together. A big bird lurks on top of the church. Let's try it one more time fluently. A big bird lurks on top of the church. All right, last thing that we're going to do is a few words for dictation. So I need you to get something to write with, a piece of paper and pencil. You can pause the video while you go to get that. Are you ready? All right, I'm going to say the word. You're going to repeat it back to me. We're going to tap our sounds and then write. Your first word is her. Say the word her. Let's tap those sounds. Write the word her. Pause the video while you write. Okay, let's check our work. Her. Her. You should have H-E-R to spell her. Check your work and make sure it matches mine, and then get ready for the next word. Our next word is dirt. Say dirt. Let's tap the sounds in dirt. D, t, dirt. Write the word dirt. Be sure to pause the video. Let's check our work. The word dirt starts with D. T. Dirt. You should have D-I-R-T to spell the word dirt. Let's get ready for our next word. We have two more. Your next word is fur, like a dog's fur. Say the word fur. Let's tap the sounds. Pause the video and write the word fur. Let's check our work. Fur. The first sound is f. Fur. F-U-R spells fur. You guys are doing a wonderful job. Your next word is work. Say work. Let's tap the sounds. Work. Work. Write the word work. Pause the video as you write. Let's check our spellings. Work. W. K. Work. W-O-R-K spells work. Oh, sorry. Could you see? All right. We're done with this part of the lesson. I want you to find the decodable and watch that video and follow the directions. We'll see you later.